Okay, so today we're diving deep into sugar.
Ooh, fun.
Right. And especially how it can affect little ones,
Yeah.
like in their,
In those early
the
days.
very beginning,
Yeah. Oh,
those
yeah.
first 1,000 days.
Super important.
And we found this really interesting article in The Guardian.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
It's based on like some new research
Uh-huh.
about this exact topic.
Yeah.
And it just makes you wonder,
All right.
like if we cut back on sugar for kids during like this super important time,
Yeah.
could that actually make a difference for their health later on?
Well, I mean, that's like the million-dollar question, right?
Yeah.
And the research is really starting to point to a pretty clear link there.
Really?
Yeah, I mean,
So it's not just about like weight gain or something?
it's way more than that.
Oh, wow.
It's about the risk for like serious chronic stuff later.
Like what?
I'm talking diabetes, obesity.
Okay, so we need to like really break this down.
Yeah, let's do it.
Like what's the science behind all of this?
So basically, the research suggests that when little kids are exposed to a lot of sugar, like really early on,
Huh?
it kind of messes with their metabolism as it's developing.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it can lead to this thing called insulin resistance.
Now I've heard of that.
Right. It basically means the body has a tougher time regulating blood sugar.
So like what does that even mean for a little kid?
Well, think of it this way. It's like a major red flag
Oh,
for potentially developing type 2 diabetes later.
wow. I never thought of it like that.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's not just starting when they're like toddlers or,
Right.
it's way before that.
It is. It's that 1,000-day window, but it doesn't start at birth.
You got it.
It starts when?
At conception.
Whoa.
Yeah, so like what a mom eats during pregnancy is huge EE.
That's crazy.
It is. It really shapes the baby's metabolic health right from the start.
I've never even thought about it like that before.
Yeah.
So like I know we have a lot of parents and caregivers listening.
For sure.
So what does all this mean for them? Like, are we saying no sweets ever?
No, no, no. It's not about being like super strict.
Okay.
It's more about being mindful, you know?
Right, right.
Like a good place to start is just checking those food labels.
Yeah, those are always so long.
I know, but it's worth it. You'd be amazed how much added sugar is hiding in like
In everything.
pretty much, even in stuff made for babies.
Wow.
Right. So like whenever you can, go for whole foods.
Like what kind of things?
Like fruits, veggies, plain yogurt,
That makes sense.
that kind of thing.
Good stuff.
And water. It's the best for everyone.
Of course.
Always.
Okay, but let's be realistic.
Yeah,
Kids want sweets.
for sure.
So what do we do?
All right, so instead of like, the processed sugary stuff,
Yeah.
focus on naturally sweet foods.
Like fruit.
Exactly. And there's so many great like baking alternatives now.
Oh, yeah.
You can totally satisfy those cravings without all the added sugar.
Awesome.
So yeah,
It sounds like it's all about building healthy habits right from the beginning.
that's it,
Like, that's the key.
Yeah, those early patterns, they can really make a difference
Oh, yeah, for
for
sure.
a child's health, down the road.
It could even protect them from those risks we were talking about earlier.
Exactly, it's preventative.
That's pretty amazing to think about.
It is, it's powerful.
It's wild that cutting back on sugar in those first 1,000 days could have such a lasting impact.
It really is, and it makes you wonder,
About what?
like, what other things in those early years could have this kind of impact?
Oh, like what?
I don't know, that's the exciting part.
That is really interesting.
Right, like what else shapes our health in those early days?
Wow. That's definitely something to think about.
Lots to explore.
Yeah, lots to explore for sure.
Always learning. Well, thanks for diving deep with us on this.
My pleasure. It was fun.
I learned a lot.
Me too.
Really interesting stuff.
I know, right?
All right, everyone, thanks for listening.
See you next time.